I grew up in France, and it's very important for us, the chefs, to have the good product for the good season. And this I started to learn when I was very young with my father on his restaurant. My name is Cataneo Adriano. I'm the executive chef of the 3 Michelin star restaurant L'Atelier Joël Robuchon in Hong Kong. L'Atelier is open from 2006 now. We are a 3 Michelin star restaurant, and we are under the name of Mr. Robuchon. We make French traditional cuisine, of course the dish of Mr. Robuchon, and we also create some new dish with my team. Today we're going to prepare a cocotte of lobster with asparagus and morel with yellow wine. This is one of the signature dish of Mr. Robuchon. It's a dish you can prepare for festive occasion. It's also a luxurious dish you can prepare at home for your family. We're going to use the flame today for roast the lobster, and we're going to also cook the morel. I decided to prepare this dish today because I want to use some local product. For the lobster, we're going to boil them a few seconds and cook the asparagus in the boiled water. After, we're going to cook the morel with some shallots and some butter and some yellow wine. For finish, we're going to roast the lobster in the cocotte. We're going to put the sauce and put the cover for around 4 or 5 minutes. For plating, we're going to put the lobster in the middle and asparagus and morel just around. After, we're going to finish with some fresh herbs. Sometimes it can be stressful, but when I see the guests come back to try and enjoy my cuisine, it's my happiness.
Since I started to cook, I've been always gas. It became like the only way to cook. Hi, I'm Nicolas Boutin. I'm the chef of 1-star Michelin Épure. Today, some people think sometimes you need to bring some very premium ingredients to make something good. No, simplicity is there. First, to make this recipe, I peel, of course, the potato. I will put in water, bring it to boil, and then I will start to cook the potato in oil until they start to be a little bit golden brown. They need to absorb some oil. That's a very simple step, but very important. I will prepare the flat parsley, remove the leaves, chop it up very roughly. Same for the garlics. And when the potatoes are almost there, I will bring a bit of butter. Butter, important, very healthy as well. I will add the garlic first. Then I will put the flat parsley. Then I will put the eggs, the beaten eggs inside. And I will just turn around a little bit. You can see the nice golden part from the bottom on top. And then ready to be served. It's a recipe that for cooking at home is very good for the people who are grain conscious. At the end, I think nothing can replace the flames compared to other technique or equipment you can find today. It's definitely very unique.